what is mole, and it is very important to learn what is the meaning of mole. Very important. What is mole? So why we use the word mole? So let's see. We generally use the word dozen, gross, right? So what is the meaning of dozen? Dozen means 12. One dozen banana, 12 bananas. One dozen apple, 12 apples. One dozen orange, you got it? Dozen. So why we use the, instead of calling, see what we have done here? 12 numbers now. 12 numbers. By using the word dozen, the big number 12 we have used in the single word dozen, one dozen, right? So there are terms we use to reduce the or to represent the big quantity into small. Okay. One word also we use gross. What is the meaning of gross? One gross. One dozen means 12. What is one gross? One gross means 12 dozen. You got it? Yes. Give me one gross of banana. So it means that 12 dozen, and one dozen means this 12 number. So we use the terms to represent the big quantity in a small. Similarly, the mole is the term. Mole is the term we use to represent the big amount of substance in the small fraction, in small number, right? Yes. Simple. Okay, fine. Let us go for directly. What is the meaning of mole? What is the meaning of mole? So there are many definitions. There are many definitions of mole. Simple definition. So I will write from this book as it is, because it will be and it will be easy to understand. See, what is the meaning of mole? See, one mole is the amount of one mole is the amount of one mole is the amount of a substance. One mole is the amount of substance that contain as many entities or particles as there are as there are as there are atoms in exactly 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. This is the definition of mole, and they have calculated also. How? See, then let us go for and what is the how to find out the particles in 12 gram of carbon. How to find out? Suppose 12 gram of carbon sample is given to you, and question posed to you, find out the number of carbon in that. So how we can do that? For that we must know weight of one carbon atom. Suppose I am telling you, see, there are 1000 apples. No, there are no 1000 apples. There are 1000 kg apples. 1000 kg apples are given to you. One truck. And question posed to you, find out the weight of find out how many apples are there. So for that we must know that if we know the weight of one apple, what we will do? We will divide that weight by that one apple weight. That's all. See, if 1000 kilogram apples are given, And question asks you how many apples are there. So we cannot do it. We cannot calculate until we do not have the weight of one apple, right? Yes, simple. So here 12 gram. If we succeed to find out that 12 gram of carbon contain how many carbon atoms, to know that we must have the weight of one carbon, and we know it is calculated. It is find out by the mass spectrometry, and according to mass, so we can find out, see, mass of one carbon atom 1.992648 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. This is what? This is the mass of one carbon atom. So if we know the mass of one carbon atom and 12 gram is given to you sample, so how many particles we can calculate? See, so therefore number of particles, or what we are counting, carbon atoms, so we can write or carbon atoms, number of carbon atoms is equal to, in how many gram? 12 gram. So 12 divided by 1.992648 10 to the power minus 23. After calculation, they have found that it is 6.022648 10 to the power 23 atoms. So this definition means this one, and this is what these number of particles or carbon atoms present in 1 mole. So we can write 1 mole is equal to this much amount. So we can say that 1 mole is equal to 6.022648 into 10 to the power 3 particles or atoms or molecules. That's all. Number, that's all. And this is called as, this number is given by Avogadro's, so it is called as Avogadro's number. This is called as Avogadro's number. Fine? Yes. This is what about the mole. Idea of mole. Right? Yes, idea of mole. So now, let us go for now calculation. And one more simple definition I will tell you. What is mole? What is mole? 1 mole is nothing but, see, this is careful. 1 mole is nothing but this much number, right? Best definition. 1 mole of anything, 1 mole of oxygen, 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of any element, 1 mole of any material, any molecule. 1 mole is equal to, 1 mole is equal to the atomic mass or molecular mass in gram. Example, 1 mole of carbon. So I will think 1 mole of carbon. What is the atomic mass of carbon? Atomic mass of carbon is 12. 12 U unified, U or D delta. So when I ask you what is the atomic mass of carbon, you will say 12 U. 12 U. When I say atomic mass of carbon is equal to 12 U. Okay, there. 1 mole is equal to 12 grams. We have replaced U by G. That's it. And 12 gram contain how many carbon particles? Take another example. What is the how many particles present in, or we can say 1 mole of water means what? Okay, 1 mole of we can say the example of hydrogen gas. 1 mole of hydrogen gas. How will you write? What do you write? Very simple. 1 hydrogen having 1 mass plus 1, 2 hydrogens. So 2 gram of hydrogen is nothing but 1 mole. Similarly, what about water? What about water? When question is asked you, 1 mole of water, 18 gram of water. Okay? Now, 1 mole of water is how much? 1 mole of water. How will you do that? 1 mole of water. Find out. 1 mole of water means what? 1 mole of water means right here. What is the mass of hydrogen 1? Another hydrogen 1, 16 is equal to 18. You will write 18 grams. You got it? So 1 mole is nothing but the atomic mass or molecular mass. If it is atom, we write atomic mass. If it is molecule, so what we'll do, we do the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms, and we write its whatever number we get after summation, and that is what in gram. So very simple idea. So what is the mole? This is the mole. You got it? Okay. And how many particles present in 1 mole? If question is posed to you, go and bring 1 mole of water for me. I am thirsty. You go and bring 1 mole of water. So we will ask, why sir is asking 1 mole of water? This is nonsense, right? But you are a student of chemistry. Acha, 1 mole of water. He asked me 1 mole of water. You should know that. If you know 1 mole of water means what? Oh, 18 grams. You will count 18 grams and you will bring it. So take 1 mole of water. So somebody asks you, someone is asking you, suppose, what is how you have counted this? How you have measured this? You should say, sir, 1 mole, I know 1 mole is equal to 18 gram of water. That's all. If somebody asks you, go and bring 1 mole of glucose. I want to eat sweet. And somebody asks, go and bring 1 mole of sugar. So we should know glucose. So we should know the formula of glucose. C6H12O6. So you should know the formula of glucose. And now it is easy. If somebody asks, go and bring 1 mole of glucose. So you should write the formula and do the sum of atomic masses. So what? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. So 1 carbon atomic mass is 12. There are 6 carbons. So 12 into 6, 72. Plus 12 hydrogen. 72 plus 12, 84. Plus 6 into mass of 1 oxygen, atomic mass 16. And do the sum, and it will give you 160 almost. That means 160 grams, 180 grams is the mass of that atomic mass, molecular mass of glucose, and that is nothing but 1 mole. Urea, remember urea. Urea formula, this is the structure of urea. Very good fertilizer. Farmers use this urea. If somebody asks you, I want urea, many uses are there of urea. So 1 mole of urea means what you will do? 2 nitrogen. So find out 2 nitrogen 28 because 1 nitrogen is 14. How many hydrogen? 4 plus carbon 12 plus oxygen 16. This will give you 60 gram. So 60 gram is nothing but 1 mole. 60 gram is nothing but 1 mole of urea. What is the 1 mole of water? 18 gram. 18 gram. 18 gram water is nothing but 1 mole of water. Suppose I am asking you, convert 12 into dozen. You will say 1 dozen. 12 number. I am asking 12, convert 12 banana into dozen. You will say 1 dozen. But you know, vice versa. If I am asking you, convert 6 banana into dozen. Convert 6 bananas into dozen. What do you think? You will say half dozen. But how you got that? How you have got it? See, am asking you reverse now. I am asking you what is 1 dozen? You will say 12 number. I am asking you what is a 1 dozen banana? So you will say 12 bananas. Reverse. I am asking you 6 banana means how many dozen? You will say half dozen. But how you got that? Mathematical expression. So what is the mathematical expression? Sir, how much you have asked? 6 banana. And what is standard value? 12 banana is equal to 1 dozen. So what we will do? We will divide 6 by 12. That will give you half dozen. 0.5, 1 by 2. Right? So we should know it. So let us go for water. 18 grams, how many moles? 1 mole, sir. And 36 grams? That's okay. If question is reverse, 36 grams, water is equal to how many mole? 36 gram water is equal to how many mole? So let us go for that. We know 18 gram water is equal to 1 mole. So 36 divided by 18. You will say, sir, 18 gram, 36 gram is 2 moles. If I am saying 9 gram water, how many mole? If I am asking 9 gram water, how many mole? You will say, sir, 9 gram water means half mole. How? 9 by 18. Because 18 is our standard number. 18 is our standard number. So like this, we can calculate the concept. We can calculate the moles into grams, grams into. Okay. Another point is, we will go for another point.